Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to urgently contact Robinhood, but couldn't figure out how? Perhaps you've encountered a glitch in the app, had a security concern, or simply wanted to get a quick answer to a burning question. Well, you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into the various methods you can use to reach out to Robinhood's customer support team, ensuring you get the assistance you need promptly. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand why it's important to have multiple avenues to contact Robinhood. Firstly, it's a sign of a reliable platform. If they're easily accessible, it shows they're committed to providing excellent customer service. Secondly, having different options allows you to choose the method that best suits your situation. Whether you prefer a quick chat or a detailed email, there's a way to connect. Method 1, in-app support. The most straightforward way to contact Robinhood is through the app itself. Here's how. Open the app, launch the Robinhood app on your device. Navigate to Help, look for the Help or Support section. This is typically located in the app settings or menu. Choose a contact method. Once you're in the Help section, you'll likely find options like Contact Support, FAQ, or Live Chat. Start a chat. If live chat is available, select it and begin your conversation with a Robinhood representative. Method 2, website support. If you prefer to use a web browser, Robinhood's website also offers support options. Visit the website, go to robinhood.com. Find the Help Center, look for a Help or Support link, usually located in the footer or navigation menu. Use the search bar. The Help Center often has a search bar where you can enter your query. Browse articles. If you can't find an immediate answer, explore the available articles and FAQs. Contact form. If you need more assistance, look for a contact form or submit a request button. Method 3, email support. For more complex issues or detailed inquiries, email might be the best option. Find the email address. Look for Robinhood's official email address in the Help Center or on their website. Compose your email. Clearly state your issue or question, providing as much relevant information as possible. Attach necessary documents. If applicable, include any screenshots, transaction details, or other supporting documents. Send the email. Once you've finished composing your email, send it to the designated address. Method 4, social media support. Robinhood is active on various social media platforms. You can try reaching out to them through these channels. Twitter. Tweet your query using the hashtag #RobinhoodHelp. Facebook. Send a message to their official Facebook page. Instagram. Direct message their Instagram account. Additional tips. Be patient. Customer support teams can get busy, so be prepared to wait for a response, especially during peak times. Provide clear information. The more details you can give about your issue, the easier it will be for Robinhood to assist you. Check for updates. Before contacting support, make sure you're using the latest version of the Robinhood app or website. Be polite. A courteous and respectful tone can go a long way in ensuring a positive interaction. With these various methods at your disposal, you should be able to contact Robinhood's customer support team effectively. Remember, timely communication is essential, especially when dealing with financial matters. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well equipped to resolve any issues you may encounter. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial content. Until next time, happy investing.